Europe is renowned for its stunning ski resorts, but did you know you don't have to break the bank to enjoy a magical ski getaway? While the Alps often steal the spotlight, there are plenty of affordable ski destinations across Europe that offer breathtaking slopes, cozy alpine charm, and memorable adventures, all without the hefty price tag. Today, we're taking you to some of the cheapest ski resorts in Europe that are perfect for budget-conscious skiers who don't want to compromise on the experience. Let's dive in. We begin in Slovenia at Vogel, a hidden gem nestled in the Alps. This resort is part of the 𝗟𝗲𝘀𝘀 National Park, which means skiing here feels like gliding through a winter postcard. The resort sits at an altitude of 1,800 meters, offering a mix of 22 kilometers of ski runs that cater to all skill levels. Vogel's ski pistes are surrounded by stunning panoramic views of Lake Bohinj and the rugged peaks of the Alps. Snow conditions here are typically excellent thanks to its high altitude, and there's even a snow park for freestyle enthusiasts looking for an adrenaline rush. Next, we head to Bulgaria, home to two of the best budget-friendly ski resorts in Europe, Borovets and Pamporovo. Borovets, set in the 𝗟𝗲𝘀𝘀 Mountains, is Bulgaria's oldest ski resort. It boasts over 58 kilometers of ski runs, with its highest slopes reaching an altitude of 2,560 meters. The resort is a favorite for beginners and intermediates with plenty of wide, forgiving pistes. Borovets is also known for its lively après-ski scene, making it ideal for those looking to balance skiing with fun evenings. Pamporovo, on the other hand, is located in the 𝗟𝗏𝘀𝗀 Mountains and is perfect for families and first-time skiers. Its slopes, totaling around 36 kilometers, are well-groomed and primarily cater to beginner and intermediate skiers. The resort's highest point is 𝗟𝗏𝘀𝘀 Peak, sitting at 1,926 meters. What sets Pamporovo apart is its reputation for sunny days, one of the sunniest ski resorts in Europe, which means you can enjoy crystal-clear views as you carve your way down the slopes. Slovakia offers another fantastic budget option with Jasna Tatry in the low Tatras mountain range. This resort is the largest in Slovakia, with over 50 kilometers of ski runs spread across both sides of Mount 𝗟𝗏. The pistes here reach an altitude of 2,024 meters and are suitable for all levels, from gentle slopes for beginners to challenging runs for advanced skiers. Jasna also offers excellent off-piste opportunities and a vibrant snow park, making it a favorite for thrill seekers. From Slovakia, we journey to Andorra, a small country nestled between France and Spain, known for its affordable yet world-class ski resorts. 𝗟𝗲𝘀𝘀, located in the Val Nord ski area, is a compact resort that's ideal for beginners and families. With around 63 kilometers of skiable terrain and a top altitude of 2,560 meters, 𝗟𝗲𝘀𝘀 offers a friendly and welcoming vibe. The resort's ski school is highly regarded, making it perfect for those new to skiing. Also in Andorra, 𝗟𝗏𝘀 is the largest ski area in the Pyrenees, with an impressive 210 kilometers of ski runs. Its pistes reach an altitude of 2,640 meters and cater to a wide range of skill levels. 𝗟𝗏𝘀 is also famous for its modern facilities and a variety of snow parks, making it a fantastic option for both casual skiers and freestyle enthusiasts. The sheer variety here ensures there's something for everyone, whether you're seeking gentle slopes or more challenging black runs. Heading to Serbia, Kopaonik is one of the most popular ski destinations in the Balkans. Known as the Sun Valley due to its sunny weather, Kopaonik features over 55 kilometers of ski pistes that range from beginner to advanced levels. The resort's highest peak, Pancic, sits at an altitude of 2,017 meters, providing beautiful views of the surrounding landscape. Kopaonik also boasts a vibrant après-ski scene, and its laid-back atmosphere makes it a hit with families and young travelers alike. Italy, known for its iconic Alpine resorts, also has budget-friendly options that don't skimp on charm. San Vito di Cadore, located near the famous Cortina d'Ampezzo, offers a more relaxed and affordable skiing experience. The resort slopes are part of the Dolomiti Superski area and reach an altitude of 2,400 meters. While San Vito is smaller, with around 20 kilometers of pistes, it's perfect for families and those looking for a quieter ski holiday amid stunning Dolomite scenery. Finally, we visit Sestriere, another Italian gem and one of the key resorts in the Milky Way ski area. Sestriere offers access to a staggering 400 kilometers of interconnected pistes across Italy and France. The resort itself sits at an altitude of 2,035 meters, ensuring reliable snow conditions throughout the season. Sestriere is particularly popular with intermediate and advanced skiers, thanks to its varied and challenging slopes. The resort also hosted events during the 2006 Winter Olympics, giving it a touch of sporting prestige. And there you have it, some of the cheapest ski resorts in Europe, each offering a unique mix of stunning slopes, cozy atmospheres, and unforgettable experiences. Whether you're a beginner finding your feet on the snow, a seasoned skier looking for hidden gems, or just someone seeking a winter escape on a budget, these resorts prove that you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy the magic of skiing in Europe. So, which one will you explore first? The mountains are calling, and the adventure awaits.